Okay, welcome back to this quick start guide to SketchUp and layout for architects. For those of you who are still with me, we're going to begin to see the fruits of our labours as we start to set up our drawing sheets in layout. I'm going to show you how we can easily create several drawings just using the scenes that we've already created in SketchUp. As before, this is not meant to be a comprehensive guide to layout. There is a lot we could talk about, from the interface to the various drawing tools, but we just don't have time. I would, as always, encourage you to have a play around for yourself, or head over to the beginners tutorials on the SketchUp website to get the foundations. I'll include the link in the text below this video. Okay, let's get started with layout. First of all, I want to encourage you not to think of layout as a separate piece of software, but rather, and for those of you with an AutoCAD experience, this will be particularly relevant, as the presentation side, or paper space if you like, for SketchUp. Indeed, the tools and the interface are very similar, and layout is easy to pick up if you already know a bit about how SketchUp works. Inferencing, for instance, is one tool that is used in both programs. The two packages work side by side, and you'll likely find yourself flicking backwards and forwards between the two when working on a project. To be honest, layout is the easy part of this whole process. We've already done the hard work, setting everything up in SketchUp. This is just the polish really now.